Today, I will be discussing my 2026 trading resolutions. So after 24 years of losing, I am forced to change my mindset and rules. So today, the 1st of January 2026, I will be making my 2026 trading resolutions that will help me to change my mindset, my perception, and my rules about trading. The past 2 decades have been very difficult for me as a trader. I've lost huge amount of money. I've lost millions of naira. I've lost thousands of dollars trying to figure out a profitable strategy, trying to make things work out. I don't want to talk about the funds I've lost. I've lost millions in funds. I've lost millions in funded accounts. I've lost millions in my own personal accounts. At some point in 2025, I considered quitting trading Forex. I actually stopped trading Forex for some months. I switched to stocks, hoping things will be different. But even in stocks, I equally lost a good amount of money, but not as I did in Forex. So that was a wake-up call for me. So last night, I had a sober reflection as we enter 2026. I pondered and reviewed my trading behavior over the years, and I reached a painful conclusion that the market is not my problem. I am the problem, not the market. My lack of discipline is the problem, not the market. My mindset is the problem, not the market. My impulsive trading behavior is the problem, not the market. My failure to follow my trading plan is the problem, not the market. My failure to manage my risk properly is the problem, not the market. The problem has always been me, and will continue to be me unless I take a drastic action. I have profitable strategies for both Forex and stock trading. So the issue has never been strategy. The issue is my inability to be disciplined, to follow my strategy, to follow my plan, to follow my risk management consistently. I may follow it today, and tomorrow I will be doing another thing. So today I am changing my mindset about trading. Today I'm changing my perception. I'm changing everything. And I am going to be a professional. I'm now a professional trader from this first day of January 2026. And I'm going to be reviewing my progress as a professional trader in this channel. So the difference between professional traders and amateur traders is just one thing: mindset and perception. Mindset, the way we see things is different. The way we professional traders see things is different from the way amateur traders see things. So I need to part of the cognitive behavioral therapy I'm undergoing tells me to be using affirmation of those changes in positive ways. So I'm not planning to be a professional trader anymore. I am now a professional trader, as will be evidenced by the review I will be doing in this channel. So this video is not a motivational speech. I'm not doing it for anybody, but I'm doing it as a reset for trading both forex and stocks in 2026 and beyond. So if you're a struggling trader, feel free to watch this video till the end. It's going to help you to become a profitable and professional trader. So the first resolution I'm making is to treat trading like a business. Treat trading like a business. Royal business. Let me add royal business. Yes. If you want to succeed as a trader, be it stocks trader, be it forex trader, be it crypto trader, be it indices trader, be it future trader, you must treat trading as a business. So my first resolution for 2026 is simple, but it's not easy. To treat trading like a business and to trade with discipline and professionalism. For years, I was not trading like a professional. I was not trading like a business person. I traded with emotions. I traded impulsively. I traded inconsistently. And no serious business can survive that way. Trading is not a game. It is a serious business. And in 2026, I am committing to treating trading as a serious business. When I trade a prop firm account, I will no longer see it as just a challenge or demo money. From day one of the evaluation, I will treat it as real capital given to me by investors to manage for them and give them something in return. That money reflects people's savings. That money reflects people's trust in me, and they are expecting to get a payout, a dividend at the end of the month. And these families, these investors depend on me for survival. So if I fail to deliver to them, they may not survive. So my duty as a trader is to make sure that at the end of the month, I give them dividend. I give them their own profit that will help them to survive, that will help them to eat, pay school fees, and do other things needed for survival. So if I am not serious with trading the prop firm money, that means I will be putting the life of my investors and their families at risk. So this is the mindset I will now be using to trade any prop firm account I'm going to get from today. So the mindset change is very important for every trader that wants to succeed. in prop trading and also in trading their own money. It changes how you will manage your risk. It changes how you will manage your losses. It changes how you will be your ability to wait for the right setup to come. It changes everything. So in 2026, I'm not going to be treating prop firm like a demo money. I will be treating it like a real money given to me by investors to manage for them and pay return at the end of the month. So I'm going to be more responsible from this day, the first day of January 2026 onwards. I will be disciplined to the core. I will not be playing with my trading. I will take it as a serious business, and that is how I will begin my rebuilding of the trader in me in 2026. The second one is to focus on the process. So that is my second resolution. Focus on the process, not the profit. So if you want to succeed as a trader, you must focus on the process. So I'm going to be focusing on the process of selecting the best setup, the process of journaling my trades. I will no longer be chasing profits. I will be measuring the success by how well I follow the process. A profitable day without discipline is still a bad trading day for me. But a disciplined loss is a good trading day for me. So that is the new mindset I will be working from today onwards. The third resolution is strict risk management. I'm going to make a video on that, on my risk management plan from this day onwards. So strict risk management. One of the reasons why I've not been profitable is because of my impulsive trading, inability to manage risk properly. So I will, after making my resolution, I will just manage risk for the first few trades, and before you know it, I will start trading anyhow. So part of my cognitive behavioral therapy is to make sure I provide updates on my process of making risk management part and parcel of my trading. So risk management is no longer optional. Every trade will have predefined risk, and I will respect my daily and weekly loss limits. So small losses are part of the business. Big losses are failure of discipline and will no longer be tolerated. So I will always make sure that I risk a certain amount, say 0.25, 0.5% per trade. And I must know my entry and exit. There must be all defined before I enter a trade. The fourth resolution is to have and follow a written trading plan. 4. Follow a written trading plan. The challenge the challenge is that I don't usually follow trading plan. Even when I have a trading plan, it will last for 24 hours and I will start doing something else. But from this day, every trade I will be taking must follow a written trading plan after careful analysis. If a setup does not meet my rules, I will not take the trade. No exception, no impulse trading again. The 5th resolution I'm making this year is to be patient, take fewer high quality trades. Patience. Take only high quality trades. I do not need to trade every day to be successful. In fact, not trading is equally part of the plan. Trading is not a get-rich-quick venture. Trading is a gradual stuff. It's a lifetime something. It's an investment. You don't need to rush it. So I will learn to wait patiently for my setup to come. I will learn to not learn. I will be waiting patiently for my setup to appear. And I will also be waiting for my take profit and stop loss to be triggered. If I enter a trade, even if it takes 8 hours, 2 days, 3 days, I will just be patient. I've seen one of my mentors wait for 1 week, 1 month for her trade to enter reach TP. And she makes thousands of dollars every month trading. The 6th resolution is that I will master my strategy and my trading playbook. There is nothing like holy grail in trading. Every strategy works. It depends on the user, the operator. So, master my strategy and playbook. So, in the stock world, I have a number of playbooks which I already have. So my duty now is to master them, fine-tune them, and focus on them. Likewise in Forex, I have a good working strategies which I'm going to share from time to time in this channel. So I'm no longer going to be looking for new strategies or playbook. I will channel my energy to planning and executing the already trading plans and playbooks I already have. So the final one, the 7th, is journaling and review. I need to be journaling and reviewing my trades. Journaling and review. So every trade will be documented and reviewed. If I repeat the same mistake, that is no longer an accident, it's a choice. So I will choose to be accountable to myself by making sure I review my trades, that I journal my trades. It's very important. Professionals, traders, do this. They do what they call daily report card for their trades. So this year and onward, I will be doing that. So every day I do as much as possible to review my trades. So these are the 7 resolutions that will help me to become a professional trader this 2026 and onward. So if you have failed in 2025, listen carefully. Failure does not disqualify you from success. It exposes what you need to change. If you are still here, you still have a chance. 2026 is not about revenge trading the market. It is about rebuilding. It is about changing your mindset. It is about developing that muscle for discipline. It is about accepting responsibility. It is about focusing on the process and not the profit. This is how I will begin again as a trader and as a professional behind. If you're a trader, please kindly comment one trading habit you are leaving behind in 2025. Let's enter 2026 with intention. Thank you, and feel free to subscribe and also join our Telegram group where traders discuss and review trades. Thank you.